Commander Holy Ghost don finally blast the army general. No be small thing o. He said that they are patiently waiting for more men wey dey go carry come for inside their territory again, say they wan come fight them. He say the one wey dey even see say they dey chop woman. Oh my God, say they dey chop person. He say that one na small thing. He say this time around, oh God, he say the way they go, he go take cut am. No be small thing o. This Commander Holy Ghost don come outside o, come talk another thing. He say the way they go take a cripple Nigeria economy. He say if they do am finish this time around, he say no be small thing. My people, I go play you the video, but we go find out how this thing take start o. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring updates back to back as e dey hot. My people, if you know say you never follow this page, may you quickly do so and always share our video. We still dey here o. We no dey go anywhere. Our update no dey finish for our table. No, what update we will carry come for today na be Commander Holy Ghost. He don come aside come talk to reply the army general wey come talk say, he say if you see the way these guys dey chop person, he say no be small thing o. He said this time around, he said they are ready to even use big pot sef take cook them if they come again o. Now I come say so they dey chop person, I no know, but however I go play you the video. May you hear everything we talk for this video before we come back and proceed. Let's listen and watch the video together.
That we did not even carry anything. You rain live bullet on us. And when you finish raining live bullet on us, those that ran or that ran away, you see go and capture them. Many of them are still in prison still today. Many are suffer in prison for more than 10 years. See today, what is their crime? Did they carry weapon? No. Did they shoot anybody? No. And just go outside to protest, to voice out that give me right to live like human. Let me decide if I should be Nigerian or not. That was only crime. Even a marriage that somebody spend a very big amount of money marry, they do divorce. They do divorce. Marriage that person spend his hard-earned money. When it's no longer safe in that marriage, he call for divorce. And you can never say in a do or die affair. He let go of all his expenditure. What he care for is his life. Talk less of a nation that was false. A fake nation. A nation that was forcefully meshed together without the concepts of my ancestors. And then you think that I don't have right to tell you that what you are doing to me, I don't like it. How can I have oil and you are building refinery in your place? You only lay pipe from my area to your place. How can I have oil and none of my grandfather have own oil well? But you are mining gold. It's not federal property. My oil, crude oil, become federal property. Okay, no problem. Take the oil, but let me have sense of belonging. No federal character in East. You did not give me good road. You did not give me running water. You did not give me stable light. You did not even allow me to live comfortable, walk on the spoil road, even the spoil road that you did not make for me. You cannot even allow me to walk in my spoil road without you still bringing police and army to steal from me, and make my life miserable. You frustrated me in every angle. Frustrated me in every angle. If I fail to give you, if the driver of the motor fail to give you 1 naira that you ask for, you check in paper is complete. You now turn to every passenger. If you even see pants, ordinary pants, you go ask person to bring receipt. Where is the receipt of this pants? Just to make sure say you frustrate people movement. And you did not do that same thing in the north. You did not do that same thing in the north. And you think that it's going to last forever? If I say anything, bam, you shoot me. You come to my village, burn our houses. You bring your cow into the farm that we suffer to plan so that we can get something to chop. Your cow will come and finish them. Any person who say pim, you kill the person join. And your mind was that it will remain like that until you finally Islamize us. You thought as a foolish one. Because when you push somebody to the wall, especially Biafrans, they are bound to bounce back. And we are bouncing back. We never start, you are crying. We never start. We are still in introduction. You are complaining. By the time we will start chapter 1, your life will never be the same again. Here you come to the land of Biafra to kill us. Let's see who is going to die. You come to kill us, so let's see who is going to die. We never start. You are complaining. I'm telling you the gospel truth. That all of you will run and forget your pants. You forget your boxer. You will run naked and leave Biafra territory. All of you, but no. You think we are here to joke? We are here to restore what is rightfully belongs to us. We are here to restore that thing where we die for. It is not a crime. It's not a crime, oh. So, don't think that we will allow you to useless us. No. No. It can't happen, oh. It can't happen, oh. It cannot happen. Okay? It cannot happen. Waiting you start, you must finish it. Oh, my God. My God. Please. I want to play something. The chief army is crying woefully. The man is crying, oh. Seriously, he's crying. He said that we are not human beings. We chop human. We they play cultists. You don't see when we they do incantation that nobody should support us. That if you raise monster, it's just a matter of time we go bounce back to to attack. Oh, let me check the video, please. These are the kind of video that I like. When you make confession, and then I'm still telling them that they should deploy more. They have money, they have arsenal, they have weapon. Send them to East. Send them to East too. No wahala. Please. Tell them to bring more. Let them bring more to East. And I tell them that we are fully prepared for them. Yeah. Yeah, the idiot. Now, let me hold on. He said nobody should. He said that he's trying to see how they can address the insecurity in the Southeast. Please help me ask them who brought the insecurity in the Southeast. Python down 1, Python down 2, Python down 3, Crocodile Smile. Who brought insecurity to the Southeast? When you brought Python downs to the Southeast, was there any insecurity? The IPOB that normally do their protests, did they used to carry any arms? You see, you are very stupid. You don't train monster and expect the monster not to consume you. What is happening to you now, you brought it upon yourself. The same way before you started this war, that you are now crying like child. I've told you, don't start what you cannot finish. You cannot win us. We are spirits. I've told you that you can only fight what you see in your eye. That what you cannot see is greater than you. You can't kill spirit. I have told you, go back to my previous brokers where I warn you. I warn you. They don't start what you cannot finish. Oh. You cannot kill us. You have killed us before. Now we are back as a spirit to restore that thing where make you kill us. And what was that thing that make you kill us? Biafra. And we must restore Biafra. Nothing can stand on our way. Nothing can stand on our way. Nothing can stop us. You can't stop us. They never born you. And then I will challenge you that if you think you can stop us from restoring Biafra, step forward. Let's see what you carry. And then you think that it is by hiring machinery, buying more arsenal, and then coming with more armor tanker and fighter jet, throwing more bomb. That was your ideology. Go and crush them. Go and destroy them. Go and kill them. Shoot aside. That time I've gone. You think you can win us? They never born you. We are coming gradually. We are just like erosion. You know how erosion? Erosion take its time until eventually, float over a particular place. Now just gradually. We are coming after you gradually. We are not in the east. If you love the truth, take it. If you believe, it shall be well with you. If you do not believe, it shall be bad with you. Your belief, if you believe and you did not take heal and leave the territory of Biafra, it shall be bad with you. If you do not believe and still remain, it shall be bad with you. So take it or leave it. We are coming like erosion, little by little, gradually, until we overrun you. Do you think we are in the hurry? Oh my goodness me. We are not in the hurry, my brother. Terrorists, we are not in the hurry. We are coming gradually. You know, we tell you we carry so many things. We are operating in so many things at a time. Our mind is to run your economy down and make sure that you own so much money that even the people you are owing begin to attack you, seize your property, home and abroad. That is our number one priority target. We will run your economy down. And then we will useless every government, every government in the Biafra territory. That every politician that have been selling us will be useless. And we will kill all your security, finish. The more they come to the land of Biafra to kill us, the more they will end up dying. And then at the end, you will be useless. And you have no other option than to say, Biafra, please. You will put please inside. You will kneel down with please and say, go. Then we will give you option to go. Watch and see how we are playing you. Now we hold the last card. And now we go check you. Then you understand that Nnamdi Kanu was a very linear and a good man. But you misinterpret his kindness. And do you think you can also do the same to Simon Ekpa? How do we get here? It is you that push us to this level. It is you that teach us how to defend ourselves. It is you that gave us signal that if we do not rise up to defend ourselves, to exist as human, that you will wipe us all out. Have you forgotten your soldier that normally come? I'm not be seeing them this time around coming to boost. Southeast, God fuck your papa, God fuck your mama. I'm coming. I will deal with you. Have you forgotten? They will come in broad daylight, boost. How they are going to come and fuck our mama, fuck our sister, and kill us. So you think we are so stupid to fold our hands and watch you drilling life away of our body, twisting life out of our body, taking away the existence of our being as human, and possessing our possession? Even animal cannot do that. Even animal cannot allow you to do that in the animal kingdom. Talk less of us. So stop complaining. It's too early to complain. We are still in, introduction. Stop complaining. Why are you complaining? If you ask me, now who I go ask as you are complaining to me? Who me I go complain to? Brain war. Say you have war. You are trained to fight war. You want to defeat us. You can defeat us. Brain war. Don't run. Don't run. Don't cry. Sorry. Don't cry. Do not cry. We never start. You know, all this why we have been defending. We are on defensive side. We are on defensive side too. You only come, we defend our territory, we defend ourselves. Whenever you come, we defend our territory, we defend ourselves. Whenever you come, we are on defensive side. we are not yet enter an attactive.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch and listen to wetin this Biafra Liberation Army dey talk for this video, no be small thing o. Abeg, may you let us know your own contribution and let us know your own opinion, and also share the video. Let's talk about this video for inside comment section. You know, as we dey do am now. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you over there. Let's talk in comment section as e dey hot. Drop your own opinion and don't forget to follow this page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notification bell on so that you will get our update back to back as it dey hot.